You know, Evelyn, we said, in addition to seeing our videos, things that are pre-recorded, we would love to have people record something right now. So it's kind of an open mic. And I think for me to really see that, I'm going to take both of us out of the spotlight, Evelyn, and go to the gallery view. See, go to the gallery view and see if anyone would really like to create a message to the world. And that would be including some of our folks that may be shy. So if you would like to do a message to the world, I'd love it to give us a thumbs up.
I would like, is Genevieve there? She should come up.
Genevieve, are you there? I am not seeing her.
No, she's not there.
I see Angélica and I see Chippa. Chippa, did you want to create a message to the world?
I am like a big fat belly Buddha lying down on bed now.
All right.
I'll try to see whether something comes out. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll come back to you. Angélica, would you like to create a message to the world? You're warmly welcome to join in.
Donna also is there. Donna and Anna. Anna is
yes, I'm here. So my message to the world will always be pay attention, listen actively, and think and understand and connect with other people's pains and they are talking to you. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful.